Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to run a sale on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Running a sale on Wix is a great way to boost traffic and increase conversions. Once you are logged into your account, depending on how you set up your Wix store, I want you to click on the Go to Dashboard option, and that's going to be on the upper left corner. If you do that, you would be forwarded to the product section of your store. In this case, I'm going to the new product option. Let's say I'm going to make a digital file. Wait for it to load. Okay, so this one, what type of digital file do you want to sell? If you want to upload a file, you are welcome to do so. I'm going to upload a file here. Now in this case, you have like an image, audio file, document, or zip a file. I'm going to click on image. You would be forwarded here, and you can upload the media. You can use these platforms, your local computer, your Wix account, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, and a lot more. But for now, I'm going to use my computer. Wait for it to load, and then add to product. Basically, you can be creative to put something here. A little bit of that. You can put in, you can generate an AI text for your product description. That's one of the handy features by Wix. You can use that text. Of course, from there, you can add images and videos if you wanted. I'm going to do that right now. Go to Site Files. I'm going to use the same one like earlier. Add to page. Now, on the price, for example, I'm going to put in $69 for the price. This is how you run a sale. You can click on the sale and you can put in the discount. All right. For example, that's going to be, you can choose the percentage or the exact amount, whichever you prefer. But for now, we're going to put in like a discount for that. Now, this is going to be the profit and the margin, all right? You can put in the inventory and shipping. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save, all right? That's how you basically run a sale here. Now, after that, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the marketing, all right? Because here, what will happen is you would be forwarded to this option that says discounts. Since we are running on sale, we might want to put in a discount for that. You can create discount and you can also create a new coupon. We'll do the two options. For now, we're going to click on new coupon. Now, this is going to run a sale. For example, it's going to be a sale price. Coupon name or coupon code is going to be, coupon name is something like this. Now, for example, this is going to be the dollars, and it's up to you if you want to choose all products, maybe specific product or specific category. So I leave that to you. But for now, I'm going to select all product. You can include subscriptions if you wanted. All right. Limit the total number of uses for this coupon. You can do that as well, or limit to 1 per customer. Now, we have a separate video on how to create a subscription or how to use subscriptions on Wix that you might want to check on our channel. But for now, I'm not going to select this one. I'm going to create my first coupon here, and what will happen is you have an option to create email campaign or publish to social. We have a separate video for these options. But for now, I'm going to be maybe I'm going to select the publish to social if you wanted, just to see what we have an option here. Now, you can connect the social media accounts to your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. All right? You're going to upgrade to publish more, but I think I don't have to connect for now. And that is going to be our coupon, right? The code is DPLAPS69. Now, you can create buy X, get Y discounts that apply automatically at checkout. All you have to do is create a discount. Here, it's going to be an automatic discounts. Offer discounts that apply automatically without a coupon code. Just click on the create a discount. Is it going to be a standard discount or buy X, get something here? I'm just going to choose the first one. Discount name is going to be now, what does the discount apply to? Is it going to be all products, specific category? It's up to you. Maybe you're going to choose the all products for now. You can put in the minimum quantity of amounts. For example, that's going to be like 69 items. And the discount code is it going to be an amount off? It's going to be a sale price, wherein you can put in the sale price here because we are running a sale, right? You can set an end date and time. That's all up to you. All right. Is it going to be on the product page, galleries, cart and checkout, or only on the cart and checkout? So I'll leave the discretion to you. All right. So once you are happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. All right. Now, after doing all of these, we have run a discount and a coupon. The next thing is I want you to go to your Wix website again. Now, inside the Wix editor, I want you to go to elements. You can search in, for example, sale. All right, so we're going for the buttons. How about this one? Click this. And of course, we can rename this one as sale. All right. You can replace an icon if you wanted. I'm going to be using our logo. All right. So once you've done that, it would direct you to the sale products that you have created earlier. Because doing that combines easy setup with a flexible promotion options to help you maximize sales. And of course, you can always run a sale on Wix to have a great way to boost traffic and increase conversions. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.